Hello and welcome to the Academic Team Time for Week 9. This week we will be looking at practical teaching strategies, bringing learning to life.
Good day, colleagues. Think about your most memorable lesson as a student. Was it the lesson where the teacher talked for 40 minutes? Or was it the lesson where you participated, experimented, created, debated, or discovered something for yourself? Research and experience tell us that students remember what they do, far more than what they simply hear. Today, we will explore practical strategies that make learning active, engaging, and unforgettable. Many classrooms still rely heavily on explanation and note-taking. While explanations are important, students learn best when they interact with concepts. Experiential learning moves students from passive listeners to active participants. Instead of asking, "Can you repeat what I taught?" we begin asking, "Can you demonstrate what you learned?" Imagine you are teaching density in chemistry. Instead of writing definitions immediately on the board, bring simple materials: a bowl of water, a stone, a piece of wood, and some cooking oil. Ask students, what do you think will happen when these materials are placed in water? Students predict. Students observe. Students discuss. Only then do you introduce the scientific explanation. The lesson becomes an investigation rather than a lecture. The students are no longer passive receivers of information. They become scientists.
Let's take an English lesson on characterization. Instead of explaining character traits and asking students to memorize them, assign roles. One student becomes the king. Another becomes the old woman. Allow them to act out the story. Then ask, what traits did you observe? Students identify bravery, kindness, pride, and gratitude based on evidence from the performance. They are analyzing literature through experience. The classroom becomes alive. Section 4. Low-cost strategies. Many teachers believe practical learning requires expensive resources. That is not true. Some of the most effective teaching tools are already available around us. Use newspapers, bottle tops, leaves, cartons, the school environment, students' own experiences. Readily available: ChatGPT, NotebookLM, and other helpful search engines. Remember, creativity often matters more than resources. Closing challenge. As you plan your next lesson, ask yourself, how can I make students do something rather than simply listen? How can they investigate? How can they create? How can they teach one another? This week, challenge yourself to transform just one lesson into an experiential learning experience. Because when students participate, learning becomes meaningful, memorable, and lasting. Thank you. Week 9 Challenge. Transform one lesson from teacher talks to students' experience. Learn less by listening. Learn more by doing. With love from the Academic Council.